Hello, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text 3 on Ubuntu 20.04, the LTS release. So let's get started. First, we're going to open the Firefox web browser, which is the browser that comes pre-installed with Ubuntu. We're going to search for Sublime Text 3 on Google. So the first result shall be the download page for Sublime Text 3. So I'm going to click on that. And that's gonna bring me to www.sublimetext.com/3. You can type that address directly in your address bar and it will take you directly to this website. I'm going to download the 64bit.deb file because I'm using a 64-bit installation of Ubuntu which uses deb packages. So I'm gonna click on that. It's gonna start downloading over here, and when it's done we can close the browser because we won't need it anymore. Going to open the terminal and I make the font bigger so you can see what I'm doing. Going to cd into my downloads folder, and if I list the files on that directory, you're gonna see the Sublime Text install right here, the deb file that I downloaded from the website. So I'm going to execute sudo apt install // and then the name of the file, which I'm going to partially type, and I'm gonna press the tab key so it gets autocompleted. I'm gonna hit enter and I'm gonna input my password and hit enter again. It's going to start installing Sublime Text, and when it's done I will be able to close the terminal and open Sublime Text. Alright, the installation is done. I'm gonna type exit and hit enter so I can exit the terminal. I'm gonna go to the application menu, and if I scroll down, Sublime Text should be right here. I can drag it and drop it to the dock so I can have easy access to it. So it's right here. I'm gonna click it and that should open Sublime Text. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and if it was, you can leave a like, a comment or a subscription if you need. Have a nice day. Bye bye.